So last night we had some crazy storms pass through. To the south of us there was tornadoes in the Waxahachie area. I know that it had blown over some 18-wheelers off of Interstate 35. As you can see behind me, the flagpole was blown over. It was pretty crazy. Before it came through, we were talking to Mel and Gary from Simple Life Reclaimed, and they were sending us screenshots from the radar saying, hey, it looks like it's heading y'all's way. So we got off the phone with them, and then we ended up hunkering down. And once the worst part blew over, I decided to put my camera and tripod on the front porch and kind of show some of the crazy lightning and stuff. It was pretty insane, and I'm terrified of tornadoes. I've never had to actually go through one. I hope I don't ever have to. But after last night, I am ready to build some kind of a shelter here on Jared's property. Whether we build it ourselves or get one installed, I don't know. But definitely would be worth the money. But luckily, you know, we were okay. I believe everyone else around here was okay. I didn't see much damage anywhere. But definitely a crazy situation. But I'll show y'all the raw footage that I had. It's a little bit grainy because it was dark, but when it would lightning, I mean, it would light up everything like daylight. It was pretty crazy. But I'll go ahead and let that play, and you can see and listen to the thunder and watch the lightning.
your flagpole blew over,